What's up friends, Huawei has announced new smartphone Huawei Nova 4e. Let's start the specifications. First we start with the display. You will get 6.1 inch Full HD IPS display. If I talk about the front camera, you will get a big selfie camera 32 megapixel. And Huawei give you two options in RAM, 4GB and 6GB, and only one storage option, 128GB. Let's give a look on rear camera. You will get a triple rear camera, 24 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. This smartphone comes with a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Kirin 710 chipset, and you will get a fingerprint sensor on the back. If I talk about the battery, you will get 3340 mAh battery with fast battery charging, and you will get Android 9.0 Pie with EMUI 9.0. Thanks friends for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video.